This is the speaker for my PA. It's a KLH audio speaker. I made a homemade PA using my power inverter, which is back there in the back. Well, my power inverter is powering, well, you can't see it, but it's back there in the camper. I use it for camping. It's powering up the stereo system that has a microphone plug on it. And here's the microphone. There we go. Turn it off for you guys here.
Attention Kmart shoppers. Test, test. This is a mic test.
This is pretty cool.
I'm a dork. I have a PA in my truck. You, sir. You're walking too slow. Please speed up. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe.